Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. I promise you guys that I'm going to release another video on how to catch up a spike with this strategy. Guys, I want to tell you this is one of the best strategies that you can ever find when it comes to catching up a spike entry. Many people always worry when it is the right time for them to enter the market, for them to catch up a spike, especially long spike like this. How can we do it, guys? I'm happy to tell you guys that I found something greater that I want to introduce to you on how to catch up a spike every time. This will always identify the right time for you to enter your market, and you cannot take up to like $2 loss source, and you can easily catch up your spike every time, guys. So let me show you the settings of this indicator so that you guys can set it up on your system, on your phone. I have my moving average a period of 20. You just screenshot it, then I press on done. I don't want the video to be too long, just screenshot it. You see that I don't have any level. So let me show you the relative strength index. This is it. So I have the level, the three level. I have the 85, 50 and 15. You press on done. With this you will have the same settings on your on your system, on your phone. So guys, let me tell you exactly what is the secret. So the secret on this indicator is very simple. What you just need to do is to just identify this particular zone. You see, I have a three level here. I have 15, I have 50 and I have 85. So this three level is very important, and I have my MACD here, which is my histograph, and I have my MACD 9, which is the red color that you are seeing here, and this blue one is my RSI. Guys, these are the three important things that I need to note. The first thing I need to identify for me to catch up a spike is anytime I'm seeing my histograph below my 15 level. You see, during this particular time, my histograph move from uptrend, from the uptrend to this particular level. So anytime my histograph is moving below the 15 level, I want you to understand that at that particular moment a spike is coming, but it is not yet determined. But when you have your confirmation, when you have your MACD red 9 that is joining also with the RSI that are joining together on below 15, my guys, this is the right time for you to enter the market, and you can easily catch up your spike, guys. So let me show you some of the example of this thing that is happening in the market. You see now, this particular time now we have our histograph that went below the 15 level. What happened? The red line does not join the below level, but anytime we are having our histograph below the 15 level, guys, something is coming up very soon. You see, this is exactly the spike that I'm talking about. So you can catch up a spike with this strategy a lot. You see, something also happened here. You see the histograph, it went below the 15 level, very small at this moment, and exactly what you see, a spike come out. So guys, that is exactly how it works. It works time to time. You see, it works time to time in the market every time. You see, it works. You see another one here, it went, you see, it's moved below the 15 level, and what do you see next? Spike. So this strategy, it works on boom 1000, and it also works on boom 500. Let me show you exactly how it's working on boom 500. These spikes are very small spikes, so you don't need to worry yourself about that. But what you just need to catch up is a real spike, guys. So you see now, same thing happen here. The histograph went below the 15 level, and what do you see next? You can enter from this level. Anytime you see the histograph move below the 15 level, you can enter, guys. You see now, spike happen, it set down a little bit, and it keep on taking up a uptrend. You see, another confirmation from this level. So you see, it really works. It respect that level very well. It respect it more often. You see, it happen in the market more time like that. You see, anytime our histograph is moving, is moving on a downtrend, below 15 level, you see, like this particular level now, you see it moved below it, and you can easily catch up your spike. So guys, that's exactly how to catch up your spike on boom 1000 and crash 1000. You see, you don't need to worry yourself more about all this baby spike. What you just need is one of the strongest spike that you can just catch up in a day, that can give you a high amount of money, guys. So that is the settings. So you can set it up on your phone and start catching up a spike with this. So guys, it works on crash 1000 and crash 500. Also, you can try it on crash 1000 and crash 500. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. It's going to help us a lot. And if you are looking for mentorship, and you are looking for a VIP class, guys, you can easily join our Telegram group, where we render all this service at a very lowest amount of cost. So you can join there, and you can also celebrate with some great member there. And guys, you can also like and comment on this video, share your experience so far using this strategy on our channel. Thanks.